Hi, my name is Joni, and I'm going to be talking to you today about how to save a document or image as a PDF, and also what if it doesn't work. So what to do in that case. We're going to get right into our Google Doc. Open up your Google Doc, go up to File, hover over Download As, and click on PDF. At this point, a window will open up asking you, how do you want to view your document? I'm going to choose Preview. And when you do that, a document like this will come up. You will then go up to File and you will click Export as PDF. And then you will make sure your title is correct and the location that you want it is correct. So you'll change your title, you'll click where you want it, and you'll click Save. The next type of item we're going to be looking at today is a Word document. And in a Word document, we're going to just scoot this over here. You will go all the way up to File. You'll click Save As and make sure your title is correct. Put it where you want, whether it's your desktop, your Google Drive, or your documents, or wherever you want it. And this is the important part right here. Change Word doc to PDF. And then click Save, and it will go to wherever you decided to save it. Another way to save this type of file is to go down to Print. And this time, don't say, oh, I'm going to print something. No, you're not going to print anything. You're just going to save it as a PDF. And we're going to save this as a PDF right here. Again, you'll need to make sure your title is correct, your location is correct, and then you'll hit Save. What if these don't work? Well, first of all, your images will be the same way. So you'll do images the exact same way. But what if these don't work? You will Google it. Google, I have a Dell, how do I save my document as a PDF? Or I'm working on text edit, how do I save it as a PDF? Or I have a HP or an Asus or a Chromebook or an Apple, how do I save it as a PDF? Also, YouTube videos are wonderful for this. So I hope this helped, and I hope you learned something. Bye-bye.